Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Configuring Radius clients and server groups in NPS, a comprehensive tutorial. This tutorial provides a detailed guide to configuring Radius clients and server groups in Network Policy Server, NPS, which is crucial for implementing centralized authentication, authorization, and accounting, AAA, for network access. We'll cover the core concepts, step-by-step configurations, troubleshooting tips, and even delve into using PowerShell for automation. Understanding Radius, NPS, and the concepts. Before we jump into the configuration, let's clarify the key players. Radius, Remote Authentication Dial-in User Service, a networking protocol used for centralized AAA management. It allows network devices, like wireless access points, VPN gateways, switches, to forward authentication requests to a central server, NPS. The server then verifies the credentials against a user database, like Active Directory, and provides authorization policies. NPS, Network Policy Server, Microsoft's implementation of the Radius protocol. It runs on Windows Server and acts as a central authentication, authorization, and accounting engine for your network. It integrates tightly with Active Directory and other identity sources. Radius Client *, the network device requesting authentication services. This could be a wireless access point, VPN server, network switch, or other device configured to use Radius. Radius Server *, the NPS server providing authentication, authorization, and accounting services. Radius Secret, shared secret, a password configured on both the Radius client and the Radius server. It's used to encrypt communication between the client and the server, preventing unauthorized interception of credentials. This is critical for security. Network Policy * rules that define how users are authenticated and authorized for network access. Policies specify criteria, example user group membership, time of day, device type, and the resulting action, example grant access, deny access, restrict access. Server group * a collection of Radius servers. This is used to provide fault tolerance and load balancing. If one Radius server in the group fails, the Radius client can automatically fail over to another server in the group. 2. Configuring Radius clients in NPS. The first step is to configure your network devices, Radius clients, within NPS. This tells NPS which devices are allowed to request authentication services. Steps * 1. Open NPS * on your Windows server running NPS, open the Server Manager, go to Tools, and select Network Policy Server. 2. Expand Radius clients and servers * in the NPS console, expand the Radius clients and servers node. 3. Right-click Radius clients and select New *. This will open the New Radius Client dialog. 4. Configure the Radius client *. Friendly name *. Enter a descriptive name for the Radius client, example AP Floor 2, VPN Gateway. Address, IP address or DNS name. Enter the IP address or DNS name of the Radius client. Crucially, ensure this matches the IP address or DNS name configured on the actual network device. Shared secret *. Enter a strong, unique shared secret. This must match the shared secret configured on the Radius client. Never use default or weak secrets. Advanced tab, optional. Manufacturer *. Select the manufacturer of the Radius client from the drop-down list. This helps NPS understand the device's capabilities. If the manufacturer isn't listed, select Radius Standard. Asterisk vendor specific asterisk this section is used to configure vendor specific attributes, VSAs, for devices that require them. Consult your device's documentation for required VSAs. Asterisk OK asterisk click OK to save the Radius client configuration. Code example, PowerShell. Important considerations for Radius clients asterisk. Asterisk IP address versus DNS name asterisk using IP addresses is simpler, but using DNS names allows you to change the IP address of the network device without reconfiguring NPS. However, DNS resolution must be reliable. Asterisk shared secret security asterisk the shared secret is the primary security mechanism. Use strong, unique passwords and change them periodically. Store the shared secret securely. Asterisk authentication methods asterisk check your network device's documentation to determine which authentication methods it supports, example PAP, CHAP, MSCHAPv2, EAP. Configure NPS accordingly. Asterisk troubleshooting asterisk if authentication fails, verify that the IP address /DNS name and shared secret are correctly configured on both the NPS server and the Radius client. Check the NPS event logs for errors. 3. Configuring server groups in NPS. Server groups allow you to create a redundant and load-balanced Radius infrastructure. If one NPS server fails, client requests are automatically routed to another server in the group. Steps asterisk. 1. Open NPS asterisk, as before, Server Manager Tools Network Policy Server. 2. Expand Radius clients and servers asterisk in the NPS console, expand the Radius clients and servers node. 3. Right-click Remote Radius Server Groups and select New asterisk this will open the new Remote Radius Server Group dialog. 4. Configure the server group asterisk. Asterisk group name asterisk enter a descriptive name for the server group, example Radius East servers. Asterisk add asterisk click the add button to add Radius servers to the group. This will open the new Remote Radius Server dialog. Asterisk new Remote Radius Server asterisk. Asterisk address, IP address or DNS name enter the IP address or DNS name of the Radius server you want to add to the group. Asterisk shared secret asterisk enter the shared secret used by the server. This must match the shared secret configured on the target NPS server. Asterisk advanced tab, optional. Asterisk weight asterisk assign a weight to the server. Servers with higher weights receive more traffic. This can be used for load balancing. Asterisk priority asterisk define a priority for the server. Servers with higher priority are used first. Asterisk OK asterisk click OK to save the server configuration. Asterisk repeat the add and new Remote Radius server steps to add all Radius servers to the group. Asterisk load balancing, optional you can adjust the request load balancing settings on the load balancing tab to further fine-tune the load distribution among the servers in the group. You can configure timeouts, retries, and response thresholds. Asterisk OK asterisk click OK to save the server group configuration. Code example, PowerShell. Important considerations for server groups asterisk. Asterisk shared secrets asterisk ensure that the shared secret is consistent across all servers in the group and matches the shared secret configured on the Radius clients. Asterisk server health monitoring asterisk NPS will automatically monitor the health of the servers in the group. If a server becomes unavailable, NPS will automatically fail over to another server. Asterisk load balancing asterisk carefully consider the weight and priority settings to optimize load distribution. Monitor server performance and adjust settings as needed. Asterisk network connectivity asterisk ensure that all Radius servers in the group are reachable from the Radius clients. Firewall rules may need to be adjusted. Testing thoroughly test the server group configuration to ensure that failover and load balancing are working correctly. Simulate a server outage and verify that authentication requests are successfully processed by another server in the group. 4. Integrating Radius clients and server groups into network policies. Now that you have configured your Radius clients and server groups, you need to integrate them into your network policies. Network policies define how users are authenticated and authorized. Steps *. 1. Open NPS *, as before. 2. Expand policies * in the NPS console, expand the policies node. 3. Select network policies *, click on network policies. 4. Create or modify a network policy *. New policy *, right click in the right pane and select new. This starts the new network policy wizard. Provide a name and choose a connection method, example wireless, IEEE 802.11, virtual private network, VPN. Modify existing policy *, double click on an existing policy to modify it. 5. Specify conditions *, define the criteria that must be met for the policy to apply. Common conditions include user groups * membership in specific Active Directory groups. Day and time restrictions * allow access only during certain times of the day or days of the week. Client friendly name * match the friendly name of the Radius client. Called station ID * match the SSID of the wireless network. 6. Specify constraints * define additional restrictions or requirements, such as authentication methods * require specific authentication protocols, example EAPTLS. Encryption * require encryption for the connection. 7. Specify settings * configure the authentication and authorization settings for the policy. This is where you integrate the Radius client and server group. Authentication * authentication methods * select the authentication methods that are allowed for this policy, example MSCHAP v2, EAPTLS, PEEP. Tunneling, for VPN policies configure tunneling protocols such as L2TP or PPTP. Authorization * access permission * grant access or deny access. Radius attributes * configure Radius attributes to be sent to the Radius client, such as VLAN IDs or access lists. This enables fine-grained access control. Radius servers * use the server for authentication * this is for local authentication using the NPS server's configuration. We are using server groups, so don't enable this here. This option is primarily used when not using a remote Radius server. Forward authentication requests to the following Radius server group * select the server group you created earlier. This tells NPS to forward authentication requests that match this policy to the servers in the specified group. 8. Complete the wizard / save the policy * follow the prompts to complete the wizard or click OK to save the changes to the policy. Code example, PowerShell, updating an existing policy. Troubleshooting NPS and Radius. Troubleshooting Radius and NPS can be challenging, but here are some essential tips. NPS event logs * the NPS event logs are your primary source of information. Look for errors, warnings, and informational messages that can help you diagnose problems. They are located in the event viewer under Applications and Services Logs /Microsoft /Windows /NPS. Radius Client Logs * check the logs on your network devices, Radius clients, for any errors related to Radius authentication. Asterisk packet capture. Asterisk use a packet capture tool, like Wireshark, to capture radius traffic between the radius client and the NPS server. This can help you identify issues with the radius protocol or network connectivity. Filter on UDP port 1812 or 1813. Asterisk verify shared secrets. Asterisk double check that the shared secret is correctly configured on both the radius client and the NPS server. This is the most common cause of authentication failures. Asterisk check IP connectivity. Asterisk ensure that the radius client and the NPS server can communicate with each other over the network. Ping and trace route can be useful tools. Asterisk firewall rules. Asterisk verify that firewall rules are not blocking radius traffic, UDP ports 1812 and 1813 by default. Asterisk authentication methods. Asterisk make sure that the authentication methods configured in the network policy are supported by the radius client. Asterisk network policy order. Asterisk the order of network policies is important. NPS processes policies in order, and the first policy that matches the conditions is applied. Make sure that your policies are ordered correctly. Asterisk radius test client tools. Asterisk there are various radius test client tools available that can help you simulate authentication requests and verify that your NPS configuration is working correctly. Radtest is a common command line tool. Asterisk NPS Best Practices Analyzer. Asterisk the NPS Best Practices Analyzer, BPA, can help you identify potential configuration issues and security vulnerabilities. Asterisk reboot services. Asterisk sometimes, simply restarting the network policy server service can resolve transient issues. 6. Advanced configuration and considerations. Asterisk EAP, Extensible Authentication Protocol. EAP provides a framework for various authentication methods. Common EAP methods include EAP TLS uses digital certificates for strong authentication. Requires a public key infrastructure, PKI. Considered the most secure. PEEP, protected EAP encrypts the inner authentication method, example MSCHAP v2. Less secure than EAP TLS but easier to deploy. MSCHAP v2 a Microsoft proprietary authentication method. Considered less secure than EAP methods. Deprecating this is a good idea. VLAN assignment. You can use radius attributes to assign users to specific VLANs based on their credentials or group membership. This allows you to segment network traffic and improve security. Consult your device's documentation for the required radius attributes. Access lists. You can use radius attributes to configure access lists on network devices, further restricting user access. Consult your device's documentation for the required radius attributes. Accounting. NPS can track user activity, such as the amount of data transferred or the duration of the connection. This information can be used for billing or auditing purposes. Logging. Configure NPS logging to capture detailed information about authentication requests. This can be helpful for troubleshooting and security analysis. 7. Security hardening. Strong shared secrets. As mentioned repeatedly, use strong, unique shared secrets and rotate them regularly. Authentication method selection. Prefer EAP TLS over less secure methods like MSCHAP v2. Certificate management. Properly manage digital certificates used for EAP TLS authentication. Revoke certificates when necessary. Principle of least privilege. Grant users only the minimum level of access required to perform their tasks. Network segmentation. Use VLANs to segment network traffic and isolate sensitive resources. Regular audits. Regularly audit your NPS configuration and logs to identify potential security vulnerabilities. Software updates. Keep your Windows Server and NPS software up to date with the latest security patches. Monitor for anomalous activity. Monitor NPS logs for unusual authentication patterns that may indicate a security breach. 8. Conclusion. Configuring Radius clients and server groups in NPS is essential for implementing centralized AAA management in your network. This tutorial has provided a detailed guide to the configuration process, including step-by-step instructions, code examples, troubleshooting tips, and security considerations. By following these best practices, you can create a secure and reliable Radius infrastructure for your network. Remember to always refer to the documentation for your specific network devices and NPS version for the most accurate and up-to-date information. Good luck.